All right, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Smiley Swag TV. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel still. Appreciate everybody that's watching the channel. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful and blessed day on this wonderful Wednesday. So we're going to talk about this DoorDash and Spark real quick. All right, so can you pay bills and can you make money on them? Yes. You do have to pay like a bunch of expenses, but you do that anyway if you work a 9 to 5. The secret to DoorDash and Spark drops their orders at 7 every morning. So just get up. They normally drop in the 20s, like 7:20, 8:20, 9:20. Spark only gives you probably about, if you got a curbside pickup, they're gonna make you wait like 30 minutes before you can pick it up. Like curbside's known to be like in the 45s. So 7:45, 8:45, something like that. Unless you get a shop order or express order. You can go in and get those. You do the shop or whatever, and then express, you go in there and you pick it up. I normally run 2 apps. That's my number one secret. I run 2 apps. In the morning time, I get up super early at like between 5:30 and 6. And when you get up between 5:30 and 6, you know Spark ain't gonna give you nothing. Don't even think about it. They're not gonna give you nothing. But DoorDash will. So what I do, I set my alarm clock for like 5 to 5:30. I get up, I immediately, go to my phone and schedule. Most of the time, they either let you dash right then, or you can schedule to about either 6, 6:30. That gives you 30-minute grace period to get up, do what you gotta do, brush your teeth, wash your face, get in the shower, whatever you're gonna do in 30 minutes before you go ahead and hit the button. Now you can always, if they let you get on Dash now, what I would do, this is a secret gem, I would get on and then just go to pause mode. Pause mode gonna give you 34 minutes or something like that. They give you enough time to get up. And if you can't get done in 34 minutes, at least just hit resume and then go back to pause. But at least you will be in the system and you already be on the schedule. Because believe it or not, these delivery drivers are out here. These people are quitting their jobs and just saying, I'm just going to be a delivery driver. And it is good money. It's enough money for everybody. These apps just take turns doing what they're going to do. But it's real good money. It's good money. It's lucrative. I actually been doing both of the apps for over a year. Truth be told, over a year, on and off, over a year. And it does pay the bills. The truth is, if you work longer hours, yes, you will make more money. But in my experience, I'm just always looking back because I'm actually waiting on the Spark Roy to come to the car, and they haven't came out yet, so you never know if they're gonna walk up. So, every now and then, what I was saying, doggone it, but every now and then, you get that cushion. So let's say it's 7:45, you gotta pick the order up. What I would do is I would at least try to do one dash in between now. Because like I said, that's the way to make lucrative money. The bad thing about Spark is when you're doing curbside pickups, you can only do one order an hour. Truth be told, you only can do one order an hour. If they give you the order at 7:20 and they say pick the order up at 7:45, you think about it. You're only doing one order. You gotta wait again to 8:20, and then you pick the order up at 8:45. So it's just all about strategizing. Where I'm located at in Birmingham, Alabama, we don't have that many apps. I mean, we have all the basic stuff, your Grubhub and and stuff like that, but we don't have like the new apps like other states have, like Georgia and all of. They got apps that we can download them, of course, but you won't get nothing and it won't do shit. You won't do nothing. You won't get anything. You can always try point pickup too, but I'm gonna focus. Like I said, this whole video is basically to focus on DoorDash and Spark. Run 2 apps, y'all. The secret is get your butt up early. That's all it is. That's all it is. If you set this is what make you get up early. If you get up early and just you set your alarm and just get up and then cut the app on and schedule or try to dash right then and go to pause mode, that will make you get up. Now, one thing I noticed about DoorDash real early in the morning is they send you far orders. It just depends on who's open in your area. They're going to send you far, but it's going to be some good money. Ain't nobody else up, so you might as well get the money. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just giving y'all a little hidden gem. I ain't going to make this video, crazy long. I'm going to post it immediately. I ain't even editing it. What I normally do is I get up, like I said, I get up and I do the 6 to 9 shift or 6 to 10 shift. And then I go get my family. And then we do from like whatever time I go get them to about 2 or 3. That's it. Still making enough money to pay the bills, If y'all want me to do ride-alongs and all that stuff, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and I'll do it. This is right here. What I'm doing right now, starting this video, is the first video where I'm really going to start pushing these gigs, man, because there are a lot of gig apps that you can use and you can really make some money and you can stay out the way. If you having hard times and you say, hey, Smiley, I mean, I can get the gigs, but I ain't got no car. Well, rent a car. It's pretty simple. Rent a car for a week. It's going to be a better deal anyway. Rent a car for a week, get on DoorDash, and make the money from DoorDash to pay the rent a car, and do it all over again until you can get your car. You see what I'm saying? It's just like having a car note. If they charging you, $250 or something like that a week, I mean, it's just like having a car note. It might be even cheaper than that, depending on what kind of car you get. Get you a car that you need for dashing. You ain't got to get no excursion or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? No charging, nothing. Get you a little leaf car or something. Get you one of these little small cars. You know what I'm saying? And dash. Or spark. You feel what I'm saying? But like, all right, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right in just a second. I just wanted to thank everybody for, giving me an opportunity to be able to speak and and talk my junk, man, and help y'all. Because that's what it's really about. It's all about helping. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to help y'all in any way possible. But I need y'all to subscribe to the channel. So on that note, Smiley Swag out, checking out. Hopefully this order be coming up real soon. It's 2 orders for $11. But I don't care because Spark is giving me an incentive. Some of they missed me because I've been on DoorDash. So they say they missed me. 10 orders for $200. If I don't make $200 in 10 orders, they're going to give me $200. So I'm just taking small orders. But this order is for $11 for 2 drops. But they just need to hurry up. So I'm finna just call them and tell them I'm outside and see how long it's going to be. On that note, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, if y'all want more videos like that, comment down below. Smiley Swag, we out.